How to set trade time in Quotex. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Quotex and log into your account. And at the bottom left of the screen, you can see a box that says timer. It's located under the currency, pair, and above the buy button. Click on it. As you can see here, there are two sections. One of them is called timer and the other is called time. What's the difference between them? The difference between them is that from the timer box, I can choose the trade, for example, to end in 1 minute, for example, or in 4 minutes, or in 15 minutes, or in 1 hour. So I'm setting a time in which the trade will end. You can also set this manually if you want to. In the time section, you are setting the trade to end by a time. For example, I can set the trade to end at 15:10 or 15:18 or 15:23 or 15:54 and so on. The main difference is that this one with the timer, you should enter the trade when the next candle starts. For example, it's more specific to candles and stuff like that. For example, at the beginning of this candle, 3, 2, 1, I put my trade. However, when it's set to time, this means, say for example, it's 15:09 and the candle will end at 15:10. I can enter the trade to end at 15:10, just like the first trade, which was going to be for 1 minute, but now I can enter right now in the first 30 seconds. I can enter my trade and it will end the same time. The trade will only last 30 seconds instead of it lasting 1 whole minute. So you get it? With a timer, you are setting the trade for 1 whole minute or a whole 2 minutes or a whole 3 minutes. But with the time section, you are setting the trade to end at this specific time, say for example 15:13, but you don't have to enter, you only have to enter before the last 30 seconds. If you entered before the last 30 seconds, your trade will be valid and it will be either a win or loss depending on what you choose. So that was it for this video. That's how you can set trade time in Quotex. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.